In many cases, Venmo's systems automatically resolve Error 500 within minutes to hours. This often involves automatic server reboots and failover systems, which are designed to kick in when a server has issues. Failover systems are a key part of automatic resolution. When a primary server encounters issues, the system automatically switches to redundant or standby servers to maintain service continuity. Automatic server reboots are another mechanism for resolution. These can be scheduled regularly or triggered automatically when the system detects problems, helping to clear temporary issues quickly. While Error 500 is typically a server-side issue, there are basic troubleshooting steps you can try on your end to potentially resolve or work around the problem. First, restart the Venmo app. Simply close it completely by swiping it away from your recent apps, then reopen it. This can clear temporary glitches affecting the app's performance. Second, clear the app's cache. In your device settings, find Venmo, select Storage, and Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Third, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. Unstable connections can trigger error messages. Finally, update to the latest version of the Venmo app. Check your App Store for updates and install any available versions. Updates often include fixes for known issues. Venmo is adopting machine learning to predict and prevent Error 500. AI analyzes patterns like traffic surges to anticipate server overload before it causes errors, leading to fewer interruptions for users. The AI system monitors usage patterns, such as sudden spikes during holidays or events, and predicts when servers might overload. By preemptively scaling resources or rerouting traffic, Venmo prevents Error 500 from occurring, improving reliability. In 2025, Venmo users faced recurrent Error 500 issues that disrupted payments and created significant frustration. As a result, some users migrated to competitors like Zelle, which offered more consistent service during this period. This case study underscores the business impact of unreliable service, as companies can lose customers and erode trust when errors persist. To address the situation, Venmo implemented personalized error notifications and provided compensation, including $5 credits, to help restore user trust and encourage continued use. When Venmo expanded to Europe in 2023 to 2024, API mismatches with local banking systems caused a spike in Error 500 occurrences. These API mismatches occurred because European banking systems used different protocols than Venmo's US-based infrastructure. This resulted in a 15% user dropout rate, as European users abandoned the platform due to persistent errors. Venmo implemented a hybrid cloud deployment, combining local European servers with their main US infrastructure to resolve the API issues and improve global scalability. This case study highlights the challenges of global scalability in payment apps, showing how infrastructure mismatches can lead to significant user impact. Expert opinions on Error 500 in payment apps highlight its inevitability but emphasize manageability through robust practices. Cybersecurity firms like CrowdStrike view these errors as unavoidable in complex systems, yet controllable with strong DevOps. Payment analysts at Gartner agree that proactive DevOps minimizes impact. Bruce Schneier notes AI could reduce errors by 50%, though human oversight is essential. Statistics show mobile payment apps average 0.5% error rates, with Error 500 making up 40% of incidents, according to Gartner. Statista data indicates 99.9% uptime for platforms like Venmo, with quick resolution times. Venmo reported a 0.3% Error 500 rate in 2025, down from 0.7% in 2024. This shows significant improvement in their error handling. Statistics indicate Venmo's uptime is 99.9%, with Error 500 resolving in under 10 minutes 90% of the time. Increasing regulatory scrutiny, such as GDPR compliance and the EU's Digital Services Act, presents ongoing challenges for Venmo and other payment apps. GDPR requires strict data handling and privacy protection, which can complicate error reporting and introduce compliance-related issues. The data flow diagram illustrates how client interactions connect to internal systems and departments, highlighting the complex data handling required under regulations like GDPR. The EU's Digital Services Act mandates stricter error reporting, potentially leading to new compliance measures that could affect app performance. Cyber threats also pose significant challenges, potentially introducing sophisticated new types of errors through security exploits and attacks. These threats can manifest in the Venmo app interface, where users might encounter unexpected errors during transactions or account access. Overall, regulatory scrutiny and cyber threats could introduce new types of errors and challenges for payment apps like Venmo by 2030. Venmo addresses Error 500 through a combination of infrastructure upgrades, AI-driven error prevention, proactive communication with users, and quick resolution times when errors occur. First, Venmo has implemented infrastructure upgrades, including enhanced server redundancy and AI-powered monitoring systems. These improvements, rolled out in late 2025, have reduced downtime incidents by approximately 30% compared to 2024. Second, Venmo uses AI-driven error prevention through machine learning that analyzes patterns like traffic surges to predict and prevent errors before they happen. Third, Venmo maintains proactive communication with users through personalized error notifications and compensations, such as $5 credits, which help restore trust during incidents. Finally, when errors do occur, Venmo ensures quick resolution times, typically within minutes to hours, through automatic server reboots and dynamic scaling implemented after past outages.